Hi guys, if you are frustrating enough with the malwares, spywares and all type of viruses, then I came up with the new video and it is very amazing because single software you can remove every bad thing from your computer. And you have to type HitmanPro and then click on that, then go into the downloads and it will remove all the malwares, spywares, all the viruses from your computer. Just click onto the 64-bit download. Once it is downloaded, then obviously we need to install it. It's pretty much lightweight application, just we need to double click on it and it will be installed. Just hit next and that's it. So let's double click on it. Yes, so you can see that it is being updated. It is very popular tool and it is provided by the Sophos. If you don't know Sophos, you can search onto the internet. It is the one of the leading company that are providing firewalls, one of the fantastic next generation firewalls globally. So it is the very powerful tool. Let's click next, and we are going to perform one time, so we will click on one time and then hit next, and you can see that it is scanning entire computer and always and obviously it would take a little time, so I'm going to stop this video. Once we have the result, definitely I will continue this video. So in between this, it is asking to close the internet browser and all the backend services of browser related, because they needs to scan cookies and other elements. So hit next and it is performing scanning in front of you. So you can see that it is tracking cookies and different type of applications. So I'm going to stop this video. Once we have the final results, I will be back. So system has been scanned. It took around 20 minutes and it is very efficient tool, and you can see that we have results. So we have some malwares and cookies. So my system is vulnerable, it means onto the internet, and so we need to hit next so that we can remove it. And we need to give just my email address in order to hit next. Let me put my email address. So we need to just hit on the free activate license, and we need to give the email address over here in order to free activate the license. Copy and then paste and then hit activate. So product has been activated, you can see that, and just you need to enter your email address and that's it. No need to do anything, just you need to enter your email address. Once you enter the email address, you need to just hit onto the activate button and that's it. Now we have to click onto the next, and you can see that now it is working to remove the malwares. And once it is done, we need to restart our system obviously, and after that your system will be neat and clean. And all the threats will be removed from your system. So let's wait, and I will be back shortly. So removal process has been done, and now just we need to hit next, and we need to reboot our system. So now the system has been up, and you can see that we have successfully removed all the malwares and all the spywares from our PC. So thank you so much for watching this video. If this video seems to be informative, then give the comments in this section, and I will give the answer as soon as possible. Give the thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye bye.